What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply to WES, that is World Education Society, for your ECA Education Credential Assessment. This is the complete procedure from application to receiving ECA, and I will be giving you a lot of tips, so please watch this video till the end. So first of all, let's open our browser and search for WES, that is World Education Society. So this process of evaluation would take 3 steps. The first one is application and generation of reference number. The second one is sending and uploading the documents, and finally, when the documents are received by WES, they will evaluate and send the evaluation to you. You should also check out the website for other options available. Right now we will move straight towards the application part. So we will go for get an evaluation. I'm going to use this evaluation for Canada. Here you have to select the type of application you want to send. WES standard is for education and study. Next one is for ECA, and third one is for agro food pilot. I'm going to submit my application for IRCC ECA. Now here you have to provide your email address and make sure that this email stays with you until you get your education assessment from WES. On providing this email address, you will receive a verification code which is required to be submitted here and to register your account with the WES. So as you can see, I have received this verification code. I will enter it over there and my account will be activated. So now after verification of the email, we will be directed to this page and we have to submit our details such as our name, surname, date of birth. Here you have to generate a password for your WES account. So now you will be directed to this page and you have to provide your further information. There is also a security question along with your phone number that needs to be registered. So here we are at the evaluation page and I have submitted my highest level of education credential over here. Please do provide your other education credentials to the WES. For example, if you have completed your masters, then you must provide your graduation details. Another important point is this: your ECA report will not contain anything which is below secondary school education, something which is non-academic, and something which is a training or qualification related to a profession. For example, accountants in India need Tally, but that would not be assessed by WES. They will assess your chartered accountant degree or your graduation in commerce degree, right? So you have to provide your degree which is final, or you can provide a provisional degree if it has not been issued by your college. Then you have to provide a statement of marks, that is your transcripts. I have made a detailed video on how to apply your transcript from Delhi University. Do check that out. The link is in the description. So the statement of marks, that is your transcript, should reach WES directly from your university. Please make sure that the envelope has been sealed properly, it has a stamp of your college, and it is sent from the same pin code that is of your university. It should not be different from that. And this option 2 applies on me. In my university, they hand over the transcript to the students, and the students have to themselves send these documents from the university campus post office directly to WES. Well, there are some universities that require a special request form for sending the transcripts, and WES has provided a draft for academic record request form. So you can simply download this or print this and submit to your university, and they will send this on your behalf. So now as you move further, please read all the guidelines, all the points that has been provided on the website. Don't rely just on this video. You have to include your reference number. You don't send your original mark sheets and original degree to them, and ask your university if they can electronically send your documents to WES so that they can receive your documents quickly. So now I'm moving forward, and you will be redirected to this page of review. You check your all your credentials, details and everything, and then move and proceed towards the payment page. I would advise you to use your credit card to make the payment and keep the acknowledgement saved with you. Also, one more thing, I would advise you to use the standard delivery method and don't ask for physical copy at your address. Everywhere the documents would be submitted electronically through emails or through uploading, so don't pay additionally for your hard copy. Now after reviewing all the details, we have to authorize WS for certain things. We have to checklist all these options. Now it is all again asking me to confirm my name and date of birth. So this is all true, and I will confirm it. Well, if you are a citizen of Canada, you have to pay a excise duty or excise tax, whatever it is. For international students or international applicants, it is not applicable. So it is not applicable also on me. So again, I will ask you to use the credit card for making payment. Other payment options are not preferred. So here you can see that this is my pay summary, and I'm going to pay $230 for this application. I'm not paying any other taxes into this. So let's move forward. So guys, this is my university window from where I collected my transcripts. Now I will be posting my documents via India Post. The post office is located in my college campus. You have option of sending your documents to WS USA if the flights to Canada are not active in your country. So guys, after 15 days my documents reached the WS office in Canada, and I received this mail from them that they have received the documents and they will be providing my assessment within a month, but it came quite early, within 20 days. So thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have any queries regarding the WS process or transcript, post them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, which is very important, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.